Focus Group Discussion FGD. FGD is a qualitative data collection method that involves a small group of people, usually 6 to 10 participants, guided by a moderator to discuss a particular topic in depth. The success of an FGD depends largely on the techniques used by the moderator to facilitate productive discussions and gain rich insights. 1. Opening and introduction icebreaking. Goal: create a comfortable, relaxed, and open atmosphere among participants. Ensure everyone feels welcome and motivated to participate. 2. Technique: brief introduction. The moderator briefly introduces himself, herself, and the purpose of the FGD, then asks each participant to introduce themselves, name, brief background, or other relevant things. Warm-up questions: light, non-controversial questions related to the general topic or personal experiences of the participants. Example: what interesting things happened to you this week? Or what do you think about the weather today? 2. Idea and opinion extractio. Purpose: encourage participants to share their views, experiences, beliefs, and feelings about the topic. Explore multiple perspectives and nuances. Techniques: open-ended questions, questions that cannot be answered with a yes or no, and encourage participants to provide more detailed answers. Examples: what do you think about? What is your experience with? What do you think of when you hear the word? Probing questions, follow-up questions used to probe participants' answers more deeply. Examples: can you give an example? What do you mean by, why do you think that? How does it affect you? Silent brainstorming. Give participants time to write down their ideas individually before sharing them with the group. This helps avoid 1 or 2 people dominating. Round robin. The moderator asks each participant to provide a brief response to a question before further discussion. Visual aids: use pictures, cards, or other objects to prompt discussion and help participants express their ideas. Scenario building: presenting a hypothetical scenario relevant to the topic and asking participants to discuss how they would react or what they think. Role-playing: asking participants to take on specific roles to see an issue from different perspectives. Devil's advocate: the moderator or one of the participants presents an opposing argument to stimulate discussion and test the group's thinking. 3. Deepen and expand discussion. Objective: to identify key themes, differences of opinion, and commonalities among participants. To encourage further exploration of emerging ideas. 4. Closing. Purpose: to summarize the discussion, provide a final opportunity for participants to provide additional views, and thank them for their participation.